Hello everyone, it's Mark and welcome back to our video newsletter. In this video I want to talk to you about disclosing a Baker Act or even a Marchman Act if you're applying for employment. So this was a question that was asked to me by somebody who'd messaged me through the website. Their a child had been Baker Acted when they were a minor, and they wanted to know should they disclose it. So let me share my thoughts on this. Look, the Baker Act and Marchman Act cases are, as a general rule by statute, they are confidential in nature. If you are looking for a job, especially if it's with state, local, or federal government, there's a chance they're going to find it. If you're applying for a state concealed weapons permit, there's a very good chance they're going to find it. Confidentiality is not absolute. The whole point of the confidentiality is that Joe Blow public is not going to be able to go onto the local court's website and find the information. Or if there's a court hearing, they're not going to be able to walk into the court hearing and listen to all your personal information. These Baker Acts and Marchman Acts are supposed to be confidential because they're part of your medical file. So what that means is you have no obligation to disclose it to anyone unless you're applying for employment and they specifically ask you, right? Have you ever been the subject of an involuntary commitment? Okay. And it's not that they're trying to find out if you have a substance use disorder or if you ever have a mental health issue. What they're trying to find out is whether or not you'll tell them the truth. Are you a liar? I mean, if I was going to hire somebody, say, to be a paralegal in my office, first of all, I probably wouldn't ask that question. I don't think it's any of my business. But more importantly, I want to know if they'll tell me the truth. Okay? Will they tell me the truth? And if you're looking for a job especially with the federal government, they want to know. They want to know whether or not you're going to be honest. Are you going to tell them the truth? And so look, your Baker Acts, your Marchman Acts, they're confidential in nature. I don't think you need to disclose it to anybody. Frankly, your personal medical file is nobody else's business. Okay? But if you're applying for a job and they are asking, what I would say to you is tell the truth. Okay? I don't think that it's anything to be ashamed of. There's no stigma anymore when it comes to these types of things. We had a president back in 2000 that had and is in recovery from alcoholism. Okay, so look, I get it. It could be embarrassing, but if you have gone through a Baker Act or a Marchman Act and you're in recovery, listen, I tip my hat to you because that's one hell of a journey, and you should be applauded for that. It's traumatic and good for you. So I hope that answers that question. If you have any more questions, I love the fact that somebody messaged me through the website. If you have a question, I'm happy to review it. I'll do a video for you and share it with everybody else so that I can continue to give all this information away for free. With that said, if you need to chat with me, I don't charge for a consult. Feel free to reach out to us. The phone's on to 24/7. And with that said, stay safe and be well.